So if you're like me, you've probably wondered, can you grow fruit from seed? Today I'm going to be showing you a Tangelo. So it's a tangerine and a pomelo, and this has quickly became one of my favorite citruses. And I'm going to show you how we started growing some, and we're going to document the process the whole way. So check it out. So the first thing is you got to get your seed, and we got this out of our Tangelo. Now you're going to plant this. We like to do it in a wet paper towel and a plastic Ziploc bag. After about 1 week you should have some roots, and you're going to go ahead and plant this. We use peat moss and perlite at about a 1-to-1 ratio, so 50% peat moss, 50% perlite. And in about 3 weeks you'll have this. And seeds are weird because they can be the same, they can be different, but we'll see. We're going to document the whole process and see what we end up with. You can see the seed still on that one. This one has more than one sprout. Apparently if they're like that, it's supposed to be true to parent, so we might have a real Tangelo. You can see it only took about 4 weeks total.